we will just have an introduction into these unary operators. The function operator has to be associated with a class. If a function is defined inside a class, you do not require any arguments like this. The function will look like this, object dot operator and only the symbol. It does not have any arguments. If the function is global in nature, then you need an object of the class as a parameter, and that is how you associate it with a class, and the example is this. So, in between these two functions, if you see, the operator is the same, the symbol is the same, only thing here you have an object as a parameter and here you are not having any arguments. So, this is the over class having two integer members, you are having three functions over here. This is only called the operator function, this is a member function, this is the display function. So, you are just accepting a value and you are displaying it, that is all. So, these are the definitions of the functions. You are having the operator function with the symbol, no arguments, that means it is defined inside the class. So, when you are giving just one operator, you know the work of the minus operator, it is to change the sign of the variables. So, a is equal to minus a and b is equal to minus b. Then using accept, you are accepting two values, p you are assigning to a and q you are assigning to b, and display, we all know it is to display the result a and b, that is it. So, using the operator minus, you are changing the sign, using accept you are getting the values from the user, using display you are displaying the values. So, how is it accessed from the main function? Here you are having the object creation O1 dot accept. So, in accept, what are you passing? Minus 45 and 18. So, as soon as the compiler sees this particular function, it will go to this accept function, it will give minus 45 over here and it will give 18 over here. Then O1 dot disp, that means first minus 45 and 18 will be displayed. Then you are calling this operator function minus O1. So, as soon as this minus O1 is seen, the compiler will go to this function, it will make a is equal to minus a, b is equal to minus b, that means the signs are reversed, and then O1 dot disp. So, the output will be first minus 45, then 18, then plus 45 and minus 18. So, this is how an operator function is defined. You are making it change the sign by clearly defining a function for it. See, this is just a simple program where you are trying to say how a function is defined and what it is doing. It is not necessary that you have to have only that particular function in that operator function. Apart from changing the sign, you can make it add or you can make it subtract, it is a user defined function, you are defining the work for that operator. I am giving a simple example only because you should be more familiar with the syntax and understand how the compiler is calling that particular function. So, in operator overloading, we still have to see unary operators and postfix, prefix operators and binary operators. So, that will make you more familiar with the concept of operator overloading.